Hey there! If you're tired of popping pills every time you catch a cold, stick around because today we're exploring herbal remedies that can help you kick that cold to the curb, naturally. Let's be real, catching a cold is no fun. But did you know that instead of reaching for those over-the-counter meds, you can use herbal remedies that are just as effective? That's right! Let's dive into some of the best herbal warriors against the common cold. First up, we have echinacea. This powerhouse is known for its ability to combat cold symptoms. It's extracted from the leaves, flowers, stems, and even roots of the plant. Echinacea might not stop a cold in its tracks, but it can help lessen the severity if you catch it early. To get the most out of echinacea, take 3 grams per day at the first sign of symptoms. Continue taking it every 2 to 3 hours for the first couple of days, then reduce the dosage for the rest of the week. Consistency is key. Next on the list is astragalus. This traditional Chinese remedy is fantastic for boosting your immune system. You can find it in capsule form, but the classic way is to make a decoction by boiling the dried root in water and drinking the broth. Delicious and effective. The dosage varies, especially if your immune system needs extra support. Sip on this warm brew to keep those cold symptoms at bay. Don't forget about ginseng. This versatile herb uses different parts of the plant, like the roots and leaves, to help boost your immune system. It's especially helpful when a cough is part of your cold. Add ginseng to your routine when you start feeling under the weather, and watch how it helps you bounce back faster. They help your body react to the virus, reducing the severity and duration of your cold. Take these at the onset of symptoms and feel the difference as your body takes the fight to the cold virus. Remember, while herbal remedies are natural, it's essential to use them safely. Always consult with your physician or a herbalist to avoid any undesirable side effects, especially if you're taking other medications. Stay informed and stay safe. Thanks for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural health tips. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you next time.